How to save $10,000 in 1 year. Online side hustles that actually work in 2025. Imagine checking your bank account in 12 months and seeing $10,000 sitting there. No, seriously, picture it. Now, what if I told you that you could make this happen without quitting your job or spending a single penny to start? Sound impossible? It's not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save $10,000 this year using side hustles that actually work in 2025. If you've ever felt stuck in your financial situation or thought that building wealth was something only the lucky people do, this video is for you. Ready to make the next 12 months the most financially transformative year of your life? Let's dive in. First things first, I know how you feel. You want to build wealth, but the idea of starting with no money, no experience, and no free time feels impossible. You're not alone. So many people are stuck in that cycle. But here's the truth. In 2025, there's never been a better time to start building income streams online. And unlike the old school get-rich-quick schemes, these are real, sustainable ways to make money with minimal upfront investment. Think about this. How would it feel to break free from living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine no more anxiety over rent payments or wondering if you can afford that weekend trip with your friends. What if you could hit that $10,000 mark in a year? The freedom and security that would bring could be life-changing. But here's the catch. You've got to put in the work. Don't worry. No one's asking you to become an overnight millionaire. But with consistent effort, these next hustles will put you on the path to financial freedom faster than you think. Point 1. Freelance writing or content creation. Let's start with one of the most accessible side hustles out there, freelance writing or content creation. If you've got a way with words or even just an interest in a niche, freelance writing can be your golden ticket. Blogs, websites, social media, they all need content, and businesses are paying top dollar for it. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn can connect you to paying clients who need everything from blog posts to product descriptions to email newsletters. Now, you're probably wondering, but I don't have writing experience. Guess what? You don't need to be Hemingway to get started. There's a huge demand for beginner-level writing too. Once you build up a portfolio and reputation, your rate can skyrocket. Let's say you write 3 blog posts a week for a small business. That could easily bring in an extra $500 per month. And that's just the beginning. Imagine scaling this up over the course of a year. But writing isn't the only thing you can do online. There's another side hustle that's even easier to get into with no prior experience. What is it? Stick around. I'll tell you after this. Okay, so freelance writing sounds good, but not everyone's a wordsmith, right? No problem. Let's talk about something that might surprise you. Virtual assistants. The demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be an expert to get started. Point 2. Virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, VA, is someone who helps business owners with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, data entry, social media, or customer service. All of this can be done remotely. There's a massive market for VAs because as businesses grow, they need extra hands on deck. If you've ever been the go-to person for organization and multitasking in your personal life, this is your chance to make it a hustle. In fact, many VA gigs don't require any specialized skills. Just a laptop, a good internet connection, and the ability to follow instructions. If you start with just a few clients at $15 per hour, that's $1,200 a month. That's $14,400 a year. And that's just part-time work. And don't worry, you won't have to answer the phone for your boss in your pajamas, unless that's your thing. Most VAs work on their own time and from the comfort of their own space. Now let me show you the next hustle that's even more flexible and could generate more income than you think. Point 3. Online tutoring or teaching. Let's talk about online tutoring. This is one of those side hustles that allows you to cash in on your expertise, or even just your patience. Whether you're teaching English to non-native speakers, helping students with math, or providing specialized coaching on SAT prep, the world is your classroom. In fact, platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Chegg can connect you to students who will pay for your expertise. The average tutor can make between $20 and $50 an hour depending on their subject area. And guess what? If you're not a certified teacher, you can still make money teaching English or offering test prep. With the rise of remote learning, you can leverage your skills to earn money from anywhere. But let's not stop here. I've got one more online hustle that could supercharge your income and help you hit that $10,000 goal even faster. Stay tuned, it's coming right up. All right, you're probably thinking, these are all great, but what about a hustle that scales? Something that you don't have to trade hours for money. Now, here's the big one. Point 4, affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. This is the secret weapon that many successful online entrepreneurs use to generate passive income. It's simple. You promote products or services through a special link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create the product yourself. You don't even need to handle customer service. All you need to do is drive traffic to your affiliate links, and that can be done through blogging, YouTube, social media, or email lists. Here's the magic of affiliate marketing. Once you have an audience, you can earn money around the clock. People will buy products through your links while you sleep, go to work, or binge-watch Netflix. This is passive income. If you've built a small following, let's say 1,000 people, and you're promoting just one $50 product a week, you could make an extra $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year. Now, imagine what would happen if you scaled that up. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing could easily be the key to hitting that $10,000 target in just 1 year. There you have it, the online side hustles that actually work in 2025 to help you save $10,000 this year. Freelance writing, virtual assistants, tutoring, and affiliate marketing. Each of these can be a stepping stone toward financial freedom, but only if you take action. Here's the bottom line. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and using the tools available to you today. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. So what are you waiting for? Pick one of these side hustles and take the first step towards building your $10,000 today. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below telling me which hustle you're going to try first, and share this with someone who needs a financial boost. Remember, wealth is built through smart decisions and consistent action. You've got this, now it's time to make it happen.